Bye-bye, Buriraw. Oh, yan na. Yan ang dalahin ko. Pinapatay na namin. Kakatayin na natin. Bye-bye, Buriraw. To Manila na. Ayan na yang. Dami nang kainin mo yang. Hintay na si mama. Diyan na si mama. Yan pa yang oh. Maubos mo na yang. Ah, grabe naman si kuya. Pakainin yan eh.
Pakita mo kung market yang.
This man kept waiting the job on the blackboard with both hands. Students in the audience simply couldn't keep up with his speed. In less than half a minute, the entire semester's content was covered. At this time,
Magulang
the
kaon
student
ng
asked him to help
bata
sharpen a pencil. Unexpectedly,
ano?
he inserted the pencil into his nostril. As soon as he turned around, the pencil was sharpened. It turned out that the man was from another planet. When he first came to Earth, in the supermarket, he casually scanned them and copied all the details. Then he went to the bidding room and started mass production. However, his superpowers do not end here. When crossing the road, he was hit and thrown by a car. The female driver was scared out of his mind on the spot, but he immediately regained his full strength and then limped away from the scene. Then the tech figure inside the body immediately activated the self-repairing system. When he encountered the robber, he wasn't the least bit panicked. He just gave a gentle pinch, and the barrel of the gun formed directly, almost scaring the robber to tears. He was taking part in a competition. While others were eating until their faces turned red, he just shoved one hot dog after another into his mouth crazily. In less than a minute, he ate over 300 hot dogs and directly broke the Guinness World Record. But the little person inside him suffered, being squeezed by the hot dogs and having no space to move. The man hurried to the bathroom. One by one, the hot up at a fast pace. This pleasant sound really made the old man inside him a little envious. However, it didn't come to the earth to experience.